thank you for joining me today. Today we're going to take a look at the Amazon Basics Classic Notebook. Now this notebook is squared, not dot grid, but I thought we'd take a look anyways because it is widely available. We'll just take a quick look at this guy and see how it goes. Okay, so the book has a cardboard bound cover. It just comes in black. You have the elastic closure. There is one bookmark. There is an expandable pocket in the back. And as it says, it's very basic. So obviously no contents pages, no pen test pages, no nameplate page. The paper is ivory off-white. It's 240 pages, and I'm gonna say it's probably about 90 GSM. It feels very similar to the Moleskine. The square grid is fairly light. It's not overbearing. It doesn't look like it's printed evenly, but outside of that, the margins do look even. It doesn't lie flat, even though it says in the description it does. We will take a look. The pages are 25 boxes across and then 40 boxes down. So now we're gonna go ahead with our pen test and see how it holds up. Okay, so I did giggle when I did this. I knew this isn't going to go well. It is still super wet, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, the pen test, here you go. Again, it was pretty standard for smudging. We have the Flair, the Mono drawing pen, the fountain pen, the Crayola, the Tombow, the Jelly, and the acrylograph. Now, the biggest surprise is the Mono drawing pen smudging that tends to not smudge. This paper does have a grittiness to it, so if you like that grit to your paper, then you're definitely gonna like this guy. It's not as smooth as some of the other papers we've looked at. I'm actually going to blot this off. I don't want to completely destroy the book. Okay. Okay. Everything ghosted. Every single pen ghosted. The gel pen started to bleed through. The fountain pen bled through. The Pentel pen bled through. The mild liner where you put your pen down and then when you lift it up, that bled through. The Crayola bled through. The Sharpie bled through, which isn't a surprise. And then everything else just heavily ghosted. The dye ink bled through. The pigment ink ghosted and the solvent ink ghosted. The pencil crayon ghosted. The watercolor pencil ghosted. The lightly saturated watercolor ghosted, and then this was starting to warp and bleed through. So that's not a surprise there. It would have probably done a lot more damage had I not dabbed it off. But there you go. That is the Amazon Basics Square Notebook. It's actually a really cool little book. I would consider using it, to be honest. So that kind of surprised me since I am a 160 GSM pure white purist. But yeah. We will keep going. Like I said, I think there's 3 more books left. So we're getting to the end of this and for the big comparison chart graph table. So thank you for watching today.